जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं। जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्। आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्या।
सदाशिवसमारम्भां ज्ञानसम्बन्धमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, participants, visitors sitting with us all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. There are some even senior devotees who feel, I cannot remember which chakra is where. Don't worry, you don't need to remember. You just don't need to remember. Wherever required, I will use the English word for you to meditate or understand. These 7 energy centers are like a thought currents. When we awaken these 7 energy centers by proper understanding and proper processes, kriyas, the inner awakening, conscious awakening, Chaitanya Jagrata in Sanskrit happens to you, you start moving towards the higher level of your existence. Whenever you have the hangover of low frequency or low energy emotions in you, these major energy points shrink. When tattvas become satya, means principles become reality, you live enlightenment. Those 4 tattvas, the principles, are integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching yourself and others. Please understand. These are not like moral teachings, no. These 4 are not moral principles. These 4 are to kindle life in you. Life is not a pot to be filled, it is a fire to be kindled. It kindles the Kundalini, fire energy in you. The fire which is in you, which needs to be kindled, is Kundalini, life energy, the inner potential energy. Before we begin the session, I would like to ask each one of you to make a commitment for these 3 things. First, Shravana, listening. In the Vedic tradition, Shravana, listening, is the first step, and listening is God. Second, Manana, contemplating or internalizing. In Sanskrit, manana means internalizing. Third, nididhyasana, enriching, expressing, radiating. Because the Vedic tradition declares only a disciple who is listening, the tattvas, truths can be told. Otherwise, the Guru's head will burst. No, it says. Now I know why I have so much problem. Because I told to the people who are not listening, that is why my head is bursting. Because people who have not listened are trying to throw stones. Of course, I have my own helmet to protect me. There are 7 energy centers in your body. Please understand, each energy center blocks the energy due to some of your ignorant patterns, thought patterns. If you can allow, the energy can move higher. When it moves higher, it leads you to the higher consciousness. The Chaitanya Chakra, the conscious awakening happens. This program, Nitya Dhyana Yoga, I have designed to introduce new way of living to you all. Please understand. First thing, listen. Life starts happening to you when you start listening. Life starts happening to you when you start listening. Through this program, I am aiming at removing the many knots, thought currents, and introducing you a new way of living, new way of life. Many of you would have seen in your life the difference between human beings. Listen. Two friends would have completed their medicine, came out of the college, same year, same batch, close friends. After 25 years, one will be sitting in the same small village, reading the old newspaper, Hindu newspaper, attending each patient for 20 rupee, and having a big glass to read the Hindu newspaper, maybe having 5 patients a day, and the other will be head of the chain of hospitals. I saw Bill Gates saying in one of his lectures, he's quoting some of his classmates. His classmate has passed the exam, all papers. He failed, Bill Gates failed in 3 papers. And now he is the owner of the Microsoft. The classmate who passed is an engineer in the Microsoft. Now this happens. What is the difference? Why somebody is there and somebody is here. Difference is, please understand, the main component which makes difference in your life is life itself. Not education, not money, nothing else. Life itself. Ability to live the life, ability to allow the life to express through you. Learning to live. In this 2-day program, I am introducing the basic tattvas to learn to live. Please understand, the basic 4 tattvas to learn to live. Tattvas. Tattva means the principles which awakens your consciousness. In Sanskrit we call it Chaitanya Jagratam. To awaken your consciousness, life in you. To awaken life in you. These 4 tattvas, principles, when they become satya, reality in your life, you live enlightenment. So these 4 principles are introduction to enlightenment. Please understand, you are going to live with these principles forever in your life. The principles will live through you. So please listen. This is the most memorable moment in your life. These principles are so powerful. I feel the moment I heard them in my life first time was the life infused into me. Whenever you have the hangover of low frequency, low energy emotions in you, the major energy points or chakras shrink in you. They collapse in you. That is what leads you to the state of being at disease with your body. You are left with disease. On the other hand, whenever you experience these principles as reality in your life, integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching yourself and others, you will experience the high frequency, high energy emotions like living without conflicts, having the courage to face the life, living without worries, expressing pure love and uniqueness, and simply flowing with life without being bound by the identity, gratitude, and being content with everything happening in your life. When such high frequency or high energy emotions flow in you, your chakras expand, leaving you experience and express more and more vitality, health, life energy. We call that as Kundalini Shakti. If you see in our temples, you will see a man with a beard, a snake on his head, statue. He is a Saint Patanjali, embodiment of this science which you are learning now. He is the founder of this science. He himself has experienced that Kundalini energy completely awakened. That is why we depict him as an awakened snake. When your Kundalini awakens, you will feel, that is the way you will feel your body, like a snake awakened. We will work step by step with each of these energy centers, chakras, today and tomorrow. I'll give you the practical techniques. Kriyas. Kriya means process, techniques, which will awaken each of your energy centers and Kundalini Shakti, your innate dormant life energy that is lying inside you, waiting to be used.